Hey everyone, so I kind of started to learn after having monitored the flow rate of the water coming out of this Fluval 106. I am using the Arduino and the ESP8266 with an external power supply to monitor the flow rate. And as I said before in another video, we're noticing it decrease by 10 gallons an hour every day after we're feeding him. So I'm uploading the data to ThingSpeak, and I can see, charts, graphs, see what the flow rate is. And it's still happening, and so I figured it was because of this corrugated pipe that comes with the Fluval. The corrugated stuff, it increases resistance on the water flow because, it generates turbulence in the pipe. Also, it has those little nooks and crannies on the inside. Give like food and stuff opportunity to sit there, get stuck, and mold, and stuff can grow there. So I wanted to replace it with something that was smooth on the inside, and so I'm using this reinforced stuff, and that's that. So I've replaced it all with that reinforced stuff. I'm going to try to show you the flow rate. Let me see if I can focus on that. Come on, there it goes. So 97 gallons an hour, and so that's pretty good. So my flow meter is still online, but I've added something now that I bought all this extra pipe and I can chop it up. It is, I believe it's a 1/2 inch internal and 3/4 external, or outer diameter. I added this, let me make sure it's watertight still, and it is, a solenoid. So this is a solenoid here, and when you apply current to it, it's going to allow water to flow out. This is going to be for the automated water changing. So I have this kind of canister thing going on here, and this is, I think it's 5 gallons, I don't know. So that's going to kind of be the reservoir of clean and dirty water, and this Arduino is going to control the evacuation of water and then kind of inline refilling the fish tank. And so you only have to have your sensors built into the reservoir, and that way you say remove 5 gallons, add 5 gallons. So that's that. So I got the solenoid in place, and it's still watertight. That's good. It's completely open, but it's still watertight. The solenoid got on eBay. It wasn't watertight when I bought it, so I had to take apart the solenoid, and there was a spring in there holding down a diaphragm, and I just stretched out the spring so it would push harder on the diaphragm so it can withstand more pressure. And then obviously you have to test it to make sure the solenoid still can, pull that spring back. And I did, and it worked. So if you buy these things, they're the cheap, small ones. You're probably gonna have to modify it to work on a fish tank because the pressure coming out of this is just a little too high for that solenoid. So that's about it. We'll probably see the auto water changing process next.